Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip and hint that you can do with your Volvo as long as it is equipped with the keyless entry functionality. Now a lot of people know that you can double press and hold the key button to wind down and bring back up your windows again. However, on our Volvos that are equipped with keyless entry, you can take it one step further. So I've just left my car. As you can see, I've completely forgotten that I've left my panoramic sunroof open and all 4 of my windows. Now, instead of fumbling around for the key in my pocket, as I know it's in here somewhere, I can actually use the keyless entry functionality on the door handles to actually close all of these, including the panoramic sunroof. So simply, all you need to do, press and hold, let go, press and hold again, and after a couple of seconds, all of the windows, including the panoramic sunroof, begin to close by themselves. Added extra little knowledge tip, it will actually close the sun curtain that's equipped with the panoramic sunroof as well.